There's been an increasing move towards higher regulations within industry as a whole, greater environmental pressures being brought upon all levels of industry, not just IT. With IT reputedly contributing between 2 and 4% of global carbon emissions, we felt that with our unique blend of life cycle management services, which have evolved over the last 10 years, that we could actually deliver something of practical value as well as an economic value and deliver a sound environmental best practice methodology. Well, we work with a range of clients, and majority of which are within the financial services, telecommunications and the Web 2.0 space. Rightmove came to us a while back and were looking at the pressures that they were facing, both from a power consumptive perspective, data center space, and also at the time looking at the increase in the amount of hits they were getting on their websites in particular. So undertaking our standard IT lifecycle management methodology, we evaluated the suitability of the equipment that was being used at the time. We measured the carbon emissions of that existing equipment and put forward a proposition to replace that particular set of equipment across their 3 data centers, where we achieved a conglomerate saving of 92% of power, 95% of their rack space, delivering 4 times the computing power of the existing equipment, and saving, for every 6 web servers replaced, saving 10,000 tons of CO2 emissions per annum for Rightmove. The innovation is within the integration of the IT supply as well as the graceful management and the exit of that equipment, and securely removing the data from all equipment, not just from servers or from disk subsystems, but also from things like routers and switches, which we read about in the press that get sold on eBay that have permission access rights, and people obviously end up in an awful lot of trouble. So it's about the secure disposal in a proper manner, which is certified by the Environment Agency. And we as Bell Microsystems are one of the first authorized treatment facilities under the WE directive. What we've delivered as a business since our inception in '96 has been a range of supply and also of asset management. What really started to change was the whole environmental pressures, and increasing numbers of regulations were starting to come into play on our clients and ourselves to actually be responsible to the environment as a whole. And what we have simply done is taken that a stage further and continually seek to innovate those services against new regulation, and seek to positively, thought leadership is one key aspect here, is to try to actually do things better, not only for now, but for the future.